Okay, since it is super hot out, I decided I can work in the house on some things. So it's gonna be the light fixtures. And so I need to figure out, I'm gonna take the screw out and the screw out that's there and unhook everything. And then work on maybe cleaning these up, polishing them up, or seeing if I just replace them with some other new type of light fixtures. I haven't decided that yet. So anyway, we will work on that, and this will be a video called Working on the Lights. So I got one here, which is on the curbside up front dinette area. Yeah, you see big gap-oses. There's the second one. And then this here is a propane gas light that I'm going to convert into an LED. That I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do. I would really like to put a little cute fun chandelier, but it might hang down too low because this isn't really a tall trailer, but it's tall enough for me. Then I got this light fixture here, and I got some wires going on here, and this is over my dirty sink area. And then I have another light fixture up here, which is kind of just at the foot of the bed area. And then I got another light fixture over in the corner. And then I got this really fun little not aluminum, but that propane one, and I'm going to take that one out and I'm going to rewire it and I'm going to make it into an LED. So if you look here in the closet, that's where the propane line comes down. So I will be taking that all out, and I will be running electrical wire into there to have that as a little LED light. I would continue walking back, but I have just discovered I got 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow jacket nests in here. Oops, let me back that up. 5. Look at them little buggers. They're gonna be eradicated tonight. So anyway, but then here in the bathroom area, I have another light in there, and that one, I don't know, I kind of like it, but I want to do something a little different, so I haven't figured that out yet either. Okay.